Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a better paper airplane than the last one. So, here we go. First, like last time, you want to fold paper in half. There we go. Then make the crease at the bottom like this. And open up. You can see the crease right here. And so then you try to do this. So I'm just going to show you. You have to make it so there's two triangles. One is like olive like this. So it's like that. And one's like parallel to it. There we go. Hey, baby. There we go. So then turn on with this. Then you fold it in like that. Then you can fold the wings out. So it's like this. I like to fold them out just far enough to be able to touch the bottom of the airplane here. So I'm going to fold along that line. Make sure you get it pretty straight, because if you don't, it might not fly very well. There we go. This is pretty good. Do it on the side. So do one side and it will look like that. This is the side that I just did. I'll do the other side. There we go. And you can do it like that. So there's part of it. And then if you want to just kind of make it look cooler, it actually won't fly as good. You can just do the exact same thing that you did here to this side, to the up top. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. It won't fly very well, it just kind of looks cool. You might want to do it, maybe not, I don't know what you guys like these days. There's one of them. I'm about to do the other. There. Okay, so now you have all four like this. Just kind of make this folded wings kind of look cool. There we go. So, yeah. And then go like this. Just makes this little square thing. So we kind of have a little double-sided airplane, so it's like that. And there's two sides. Fly both ways, I guess. Don't really know. I don't think it flies very well. I'll show you that in a minute. Here's the design. And to make it look cool, like the last video, like right in the middle, you can tear it. I'm probably better with scissors, but I don't have to like get at them. So there, and then you just push that up. So like this, you had it like that, and you tore it.
Wait.
And then you had it like this. Then you can push it up, so it looks like this. So then you just have this little flap right here. develop car or something. I have no idea. And yep, there you go. This little flap thingy. Don't really know what that's for, but just looks cool. Okay, now you're gonna see it fly. My apologies, it's not very good. So this is the last videos. This videos. So here we go. Yeah, it only went like 2 feet, as you can see here. So not the best flying plane, as you can see, but you never know. Maybe you'll like it, maybe your friend will like it. Who knows, maybe you'll sell them somewhere. I have no idea if that's legal or not, but whatever. Okay, see ya, bye, subscribe.